Hey, what's up, guys? Exhausted Chris Coombs here to run my video for the Hero Prism. Copy our list here. Sorry about the delay. So we got Cowsert for one, Henry for one, Smitty for one, Ronald for one, Miller for one, Smitty for another one, Ronald for another one, Miller, and Cowsert. And we got our list. We're going to copy. We're going to go live down here. And live time is 10:02, current time 10:02. Go to run a giveaway, drop that list. I guess this will be number 3 because I ran 2 before. And we're going to roll the dice. Anything over Snake Eyes gets us going. Dice roll at 10:03. Here we go. Going 9 times. 9 times. First time at 10:03. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. That's about my day. That's what my day's been. Right there. Oh, yeah. Cowsert. Second time, Henry. Third time, Cowsert. Fourth time, Henry. Fifth time, Cowsert. Sixth time, Cowsert. Seventh time, Miller. Eighth time, Ronald. Ninth and final at 10:03. Winner is Cowsert. Takes it with spot 10. Basically ran the tables on this one for the most part. Congratulations, Scotty. And I want to thank everybody for getting in. Verification code here. I am going to type in done. Not Don Perkins, just done. Done time is 10:03. Current time is 10:03. I will get this loaded and get right to bed. Have a good night, guys.